Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see, all you can do, be all you can be, go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
Okay, welcome to Lisboeta. So we're going to be filming this this casino right in here. I'll give you a whole tour and kind of let you know what it's all about. Just real quick, that's the skyline right there. This is after the James Bond. I'll talk about that. That's an entrance. Nice video picture to start out with. And over there are some other casinos, including MGM. Right there, MGM. Wynn Palace. That's Morpheus Building and City of Dreams. And Grand Lisboa Palace. And there's a skyline. We're gonna go in and check it all out, and I'm gonna show you this indoor skydiving as well as some new stuff, including the auditorium. So stay tuned for that. Lisboeta, Macau, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. This is, it's kind of like in the casino area of Cotai Strip, and it's basically a mall, but it has indoor skydiving, and it has a zip line, and it has James Bond replica, all kinds of cool stuff, and you're going to see all of it. And I also created some lyrics for it, Up and Down Macau, and I wrote the lyrics and fed it into AI, and then that's what it came out, and now you can see the words going up right now. So let's get right into it, and you can see Lisboeta as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let's just get started here. The first thing we're going to see is this Lisbon bus on the corner, and we're going to show you this Macau Palace, which is connected to James Bond. So there was a movie, and there was actually a replica out in the ocean between here and Zhuhai, China, that had the James Bond floating casino that was in one of the movies. And this is a replica in here. And then up here is a skyline. Skyline? What do they call that? Zip line. We're gonna see skydiving later, but that's a zip line up there. Nobody's on it at the moment, but probably later we will see that. We're gonna be going inside, checking it all out, and we'll see what's here as we go in towards the entrance. Looks like they have some sculptures here of some zodiacs, I think, Chinese zodiac, I think. There's a skydive, there's a zip line right there. So the zodiac, they have the rabbit, looks like a dragon. See the zip line in the distance, and then here you have all of these food trucks, which I think are just being put out. There's different things at different times out here. This looks quite new to me. I haven't seen these particular ones here, but I haven't been here in a few months either. That right there is from the very first casino in Macau, which was even before, not the very first, but the first more modern one before Lisboeta. There was one that had this design out on the front building. So that's a replica. So there's actually two replicas here. We'll see I forget the name of that casino, but it's not Lisboeta. And we're gonna go in through this door here. And we'll say goodbye to the James Bond replica right there in Macau Palace. And let's go on in. There's what's in the background. Okay, so we're gonna go on in. We have some things like the old Macau street right there, jewelry store there, and all these kind of replicas of food carts that represent old style Macau. And we're gonna just cruise all the way through it, show you what it all looks like. There's even some live music stuff here on the corner, so we're gonna just see what that looks like real quick. So I think that might be a replica of some performance that was here in the past. And we're gonna keep on moving out. The music might affect my video a little bit. Here's more food carts. So I'm gonna turn it off because of the music. Fun cart. It's actually kind of interesting. Let me just see what this is real quick. Huh. So there's actually a thing that goes upstairs. And here's a fun factory. Well, we'll keep on walking. This little kiosk is, you can see this in Macau. There's one over by, there's two of them. There's one that's Lilau Fountain in southern Macau near Barra, and there's another one. Okay, let's go outside. And there's another one at Snaddle Square. This is all relatively new in here. And we're just gonna kind of pass through it real quick. We're gonna go inside in a moment as well, but this is all kind of new. We're gonna go in there in a second. There's Lisboeta and the Grand Lisboeta in the background. We're gonna walk through this whole space. There's Rethink Coffee over here. And we're gonna go towards this a little bit. Okay. Straight ahead we have a new facilities. Here's my golf right there. We have new facilities. I'm gonna show you a little bit, but there's bleachers over that way. We'll walk that way. Skateboard. Take a motorcycle. So the new facilities are over here. So we have a parking lot here, but then over there there's bleachers, which we can't quite see very well, but they're gonna start having more events in that location. And we're gonna go into the skydiving right over there and show you what that looks like, and then we're also gonna go in, so stay tuned. Right over there are these tunnels, so those tunnels go towards the beaches, towards Haksai Beach and Chokvan Beach. And right in here is the indoor skydiving. We're gonna go in, and we're also gonna go into the mall. Oh, I didn't really see this before. This is actually for the bikes. So the bikes are also like this whole little skate park. This is new. This wasn't even here before. Okay. That's kind of cool. Okay, so now we're inside. There's a lot to explore in here. Fun factory. So artwork. A little bit of Japan style things, including some famous photos in there, and I guess it's maybe toys from Japan. And then this whole mall has this artist here, which is well represented throughout. You'll see more sculptures of Bernal Huang. So yeah, this has some kind of like it's some pretty cool stuff. You see what this is. There's a whole line of people here. We're gonna see, I think they're making balloons. Okay, let's keep on going around. That goes back out again over there. We're gonna come around like this. We're gonna come over here, see what this looks like. So it looks like they're doing some balloon shapes and such. Okay, let's just go down this way. I'm gonna go by this little space alien thing. Another nice sculpture. And let me see what else we got in here. Got a gift shop on the corner. I think the hotel lobby is over that way, and there's also a restaurant here, Stanley's Cafe. Huh. Nice, nice ceiling. You can see the ceiling is a mirror as well, so it kind of, it's a low ceiling, but it reflects the mirror, which kind of creates this Noble Mart, little convenience store. It's good for these casinos. But yeah, the ceiling creates a nice intimate feeling. Kind of reflects the lighting in an interesting way. Here's Tai Chi series. There's so much to see, but this is here as well as the gacha for kids over there. We'll keep on cruising through though. There's a little McDonald's. I think it's another art installation. And an art gallery is over here as well. I'll just briefly look in. But they do have these art displays here. East-West Arena is over that way, outside. We're gonna just keep on going. I don't want to do a super long video, so we're just kind of giving you a brief. So I'm gonna work my way over towards the skydiving part. Okay, there's more art over here too, art space. I'm gonna come up to the musicians, and then we're gonna work our way over to the indoor skydiving section, which I think is straight ahead. Here's the interactive art space. So we're gonna go directly towards the musician. Got even the sound guy right there. Some cars. Pop Mart right up here. And we're gonna go right towards the check out all these nice windows like that. Letting in all the light. And then we're gonna go right towards the indoor skydiving, and then I have some older footage, so I'm gonna This is kind of my chance to display the older footage in here. And then we'll end the video because I don't want to have a super long one, but at least you have an idea of Lisboeta. This is what you're going to see in a moment. You're going to see people in and out of there. And you can see the prices up here too. So there's flight packages up here. So $7.99. So there's a price of $79, $9.99, and a package. Okay, so on that note, we're going to end the video. We'll just do all these extra ones that I have of them in that little space. So there you go, a little idea of what's inside Lisboeta. Check that out. There you go.